Hi YouTube. I'm at the school UP, and one of the competitors, this is the first annual one, I think. Big turnout. Don't know how many buses are here. A few van dwellers and some tenors, and tomorrow I guess the locals are coming in and gonna look around. We've been having a lot of fun playing bingo, and there's an escape room that I died in. I'm hoping the video I tried to shoot in there didn't come out, but I'm gonna go back and try it again, see if I can survive the zombie attack in the escape room. And what I'm doing right now is today we are having a chili dog cook-off, and so I'm working on making a bacon chili. And if you follow me for a while, I showed how I did that a couple years ago. So if you just go back and look through the videos, you should be able to find it. But it's, I don't know, there's 8 of us, I think. They're competing, and I only know who one of the judges is, and I don't know, I know who a couple of the competitors are. I think I know, out of the 8, I know 3 other ones. I'm not sure who else is in it, but it's all for fun, and so we'll see how that all goes. I think I've cut up everything that needs to be cut up. Basically, it's for meat, I'm using in this batch 1.5 pounds of bacon and about 1.5 pounds of thin pork chops I cut up small. So anyway, I'm gonna keep doing this, and wish me luck, and I'll pick this up as the day goes on. Alright, the pot is going and it's starting to bubble, so I'm going to turn it down and simmer it. I got about 5 hours until we have to submit our chili, so I'll be stirring this a lot. And look, you can see there's bacon and beans and some nice pork chops and array of spices and stuff. And of course, I clean up as I go, because that's the only way to do it. And the only trouble I have right now is it's lunchtime and I really want chili, but the chili isn't ready yet. I guess I'll have to wait like everybody else. Alright, pick this up later. Well, I didn't get a chance to show you my new shade. Something Fritz and I came up with out in Ehrenberg, and testing it out here. It's holding up to the wind pretty well. But we're doing this chili dog cook-off thing here, and this is what it looks like. All the buses at Schoolie UP 2021, and there's more down around the corner. There's more up over the top of the hill there. There's electric sites. This is all the primitive area, generators that way, quiet people this way, and a quiet day. I mean, we've done, let's see, I think there's a bunch of people went out this morning doing kayaking and whatnot. But anyway, back to the chili. The way this is working, from my understanding, is pretty soon you got 2 choices, well, a couple choices. I can use my own hot dogs and make the chili dogs and send them up, or use their hot dogs. I told Jennifer I'd prefer to send a bowl of chili up and they can put the chili on the dogs themselves. And then there's I think there's 8 of us competing, and we're each gonna have a number. The judges don't necessarily know. They may know who is competing, but they don't know which one, what chili belongs to who. And they're gonna rate them somehow and add the numbers up and decide which of the 8 is crowned the School UP chili dog champion for this year. I hope it's me. We'll see. My chili's tasting pretty good, and I've tasted the chili of a couple of the other people, not here, at other events. So it's going to be interesting. So anyway, that's what's going on. I'm going to see. I don't know if Jennifer will will take this camera up and just sort of film some of the tasting and stuff. But I'm going to ask her, because obviously I can't go up. The judges are doing it blind taste test on their own. So wish me luck, and we'll see what happens in a bit. Oh yeah, I made my new free tour 50-cent sign because this old one was getting a little bit ratty, and I also added in a new one for my doorbell, calling it the danger button. You know, push it, see what you find out.
Second round. Jamie, don't forget to smell it. Don't forget to smell it this time.
Okay, everyone thinks it's cool.
There you go.
Still can't understand you.
All right, third place winner of the Chili Dog Cook-Off is number 4. Who is number 4? With 89 points. Number 2 is the second place winner. Number 2. Who's number 2? Number 2. 93 points. 93 points.
That was Lars.
All right, number 1. Number 1. With 101 points. Number 7. Who's 7?
I was 5.
We didn't win.
I know.
Next year we'll get them.
Yeah.
Jumped off the wagon